I'm Ed Evans. Today is June 22nd, 2026, first day of summer. I found an interesting post on Facebook this morning, and I thought I should share it because it's vital for some people, considering what's happening around the world and especially in the US. Student debt just crossed $1.7 trillion. Meanwhile, the hardest university in America left the back door wide open. Massachusetts Institute of Technology quietly uploaded virtually its entire curriculum to the internet. We're talking about over 2,500 classes. No registration, no PayPal, no paywall, Computer science, corporate finances, you name it, they've got it. Quantum mechanics, if that's your thing. Any case, this is university. Beware of places that want to charge you a lot of money, call themselves university, and they're nothing more than a diploma mill. They make it easy to graduate, and you get a diploma when you graduate, and that's about all you got out of it. It sounds like Trump University on steroids in some cases. I've seen these places on the road coming northbound from deep Georgia all the way up to Washington, D.C. You will see signs on the side of the road. University X, whatever, beware. Typically, a university will have about at least a million books in its library. It may offer nursing, it may offer astronomy, sociology, psychology, anthropology, the social sciences. It may offer philosophy, literature, business, economics, mathematics, of course. Did I say biology, ecology? Might even have shop classes. In any case, that's what a university would sound like in terms of curriculums that are available. MIT has a different approach, but it is hardcore university stuff, and I recommend this coursework for everybody out there that wants to get ahead of the ball, see what's going on. I'm Ed Evans, and I have a video following this that I produced from a Google search on this very subject. I recommend that climate deniers use Google to learn more about what's behind the climate denial. Learn about the new climate change on Google. Do you trust Google for everything? No way. Don't trust anybody. Learn for yourself. Good day.
Yes. MIT offers thousands of free and open online courses that anyone in the world can access without registering, paying tuition, or earning a degree. MIT OpenCourseWare, MIT Open Learning +3, MIT OpenCourseWare OCW, an archive containing the materials for over 2,500 undergraduate and graduate courses. You can explore syllabi, lecture notes, assignments, exams, and video lectures at your own pace. Visit the MIT OpenCourseWare portal to browse subjects ranging from computer science to engineering, MIT Open Learning +3, MIT courses on EDX. MIT also offers massive open online courses, MOOCs, that you can audit for free. You can access video lessons and course materials on EDX for free, with optional paid certificates available if you want proof of completion. MIT Open Learning +2, MIT Open Learning Library, a collection of open, self-guided courses that allow you to download, remix, and reuse materials for non-commercial purposes. MIT OpenCourseWare +3. If you'd like, let me know. What subject or field are you interested in studying? Are you looking for video lectures or just reading materials and assignments? I can recommend the best starting points for your learning goals. Free online courses from MIT OCW or Open Learning. MIT OpenCourseWare, OCW, is a free, publicly accessible collection of teaching and learning materials. OCW includes materials from MIT offers over 2,000 free online courses